Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're already signed in. Start now by opening My Games and Apps and locating the title. Select the game, then choose Manage Game and Uninstall. This removes installed files from the console. If the game uses cloud saves, make sure saves are synced before you remove local data, so you don't lose progress. Once the uninstall begins, monitor the progress bar. Note the free space increase and the listed install size to confirm the operation succeeded. Once the base uninstall completes, inspect Manage Game for leftover items like DLC or add-ons. Remove each entry to free more space. If the title lives on an external drive, use My Games and Apps to uninstall from that specific drive rather than deleting the drive folder. This prevents corruption. Make sure to check console storage to see large packages and temporary files. Removing those reclaims space. If you plan to reinstall, finish by restarting the console to clear any locked files and refresh the library. This ensures the title disappears from Home and My Games and Apps. If the game still shows, use the Xbox Mobile/PC app to remove the game remotely or clear persistent storage and try uninstalling again. If an uninstall stalls or the progress bar freezes, power cycle the console by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds. Wait 30 seconds, then restart. This commonly resolves stuck operations and finalizes deletions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.